Welcome to this tutorial on loading text files with NumPy's loadtxt function. In this video, you'll learn how to read array data from text files and convert them into NumPy arrays that you can work with in Python. np.loadtxt is a built-in NumPy function that reads data from text files and automatically converts it into NumPy arrays. This function makes it incredibly easy to import numerical data stored in plain text format directly into your Python programs for analysis and manipulation. The loadtxt function supports three common file formats. First, .txt files, which are plain text files. Second, .csv files, which stands for comma-separated values. And third, .dat files, which are generic data files. As long as your file contains structured numerical data, loadtxt can handle it. The basic syntax is straightforward. First, import NumPy as np. Then, call np.loadtxt with the file name as a string argument. The function returns a NumPy array that you can assign to a variable. This is the simplest way to load data from a text file. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you have a file called data.txt containing 3 rows of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. You can load this file by importing NumPy, calling np.loadtxt with the file name, and then printing the resulting array. NumPy automatically recognizes the structure and creates a two-dimensional array. The loadtxt function provides several useful parameters to customize how files are loaded. The delimiter parameter lets you specify the separator character between values. The skiprows parameter allows you to skip header rows that contain labels instead of data. The usecols parameter lets you select only specific columns from the file. And the dtype parameter allows you to set the data type of the resulting array. Here's an example using the delimiter parameter. If your data file uses commas as separators, like in a CSV file, you need to tell loadtxt about this. Simply add delimiter equals comma as a parameter. This tells NumPy to split the values at each comma instead of using the default whitespace separator. Let's recap the key points. First, np.loadtxt reads text files and converts them into NumPy arrays. Second, it works seamlessly with .txt, .csv, and .dat file formats. And third, you can use various parameters to customize how the data is loaded, giving you full control over the import process. With these basics, you're ready to start loading your own data files into NumPy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.